To drive the cold winter away. All right, so starting then, top of, no, yeah, what the heck. There's no good place to start at the top of page 4 with Hail, Hail, 'tis in. Okay, ready, go. Hail, 'tis in for the mind to anger in mind, to think of turning trees now. Let not your face to angers and grace, nor let it inhabit your brow. Your thoughts and your thoughts will never let lost, but empty and empty. And falling and soft, with nothing respond to drive the cold winter away.
This time of the year, it's time to return the days to God to save when the fire and families of each other in all free. Those waters of God are more to the heart, those songs are silent. On and on, the depths of this song to triumph and victory away. When winters waiting on sacred and gay, with long and mighty cry, till days of the year much mirth will cheer, when memories monsters die. The sailors and flying lands and friends, they celebrate every day. With all and light and joy, we'll drive the cold winter away. Oh, drive the cold winter away. We'll drive the cold winter away. We'll drive the cold winter
I got lost on the store, so let's go back to the top of page, page 9, as neighbors and family, lovers and friends. One,
What measure is that?
towards the end of the first score.
67 is had a different text than
Yeah, is that neighbors?
lovers and friends. Neighbors twice.
Measure 67.
Yes, as neighbors and family, it should say lovers and friends, yes. As neighbors and family, lovers and friends, we celebrate them. Okay, as neighbors. One and go.
As neighbors and family, lovers and friends, we celebrate every day. In the hope and love and light and joy, we'll drive the cold winter away. We'll drive the cold winter away. We'll drive the cold winter away. We'll drive the cold winter away.
All right. So, just fools rush in sort of moment. Let's do it from the top. And
And that last chord, you do want to depend on the D and
pick one of those notes and do it. Well, there's 9 of you and 6 of them, or whatever.
So you do want one E. Everybody else is saying the D or an A, and there's one E.
Yes.
You do want that? Okay,
Yes.
just want to make sure. Okay. All right. That's what I picked.
All right. So, let's try to read through on this one. Clearly, there would be a lot more work to make it prettiest, but what I really want you to do this time, drop a little British school children with lots of crisp diction, lots of consonants. I was in the Union Seminary music school choir for a while, and George Wilson handled all of our consonants for us. He was just, there was this one bass who took the consonants so seriously, and we got lazy, okay? So I don't want you to rely on George. I want all of you to really, hey, to drive the cold winter away. And the popping, this kind of clicking, just all those nice consonantal sounds will help, especially when we get to things like, so hoping that the light, this day in the hope that love and light and joy will drive the cold winter away, and that list of neighbors and lovers and friends, neighbors and family, lovers and friends, it was neighbors and family, lovers and friends. So, words.
As the accompaniment or?
With you. And let's stand and see what we get out of this. So, one, two, one.
Thank you.